Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Good morning guys, now today we are in Parc the Prince, the stadium of Paris Saint-Germain.
It sound right, boys.
This stadium has 47,000 seats for the people, and the tour is divided in two parts. Upstairs, where you can see all the stadium, and then you can come down and also touch the grass. The entrance cost us around 25 euros per person, quite pricey compared other stadiums.
It sound right, boys.